will talk about how can you enable new Copier updates notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification, just click on it. So then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on copy trader, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to new Copier updates, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.